Hi there, thank you for your question. This is from section 5.5 in the textbook on page 143 and is the Skill Builder Plus. So for this question we're looking at write the formula for a compound that forms between sodium and sulfate. Oh, I better get my pen out. There we go. So sodium, and sulfite, not sulfate. So sodium, the symbol for sodium is Na, and it is a group 1 ion, or group 1 element, that has, its ion has a charge of +1. And the +1 charge means that it's more apt to give up an electron, which makes it have more protons than electrons, and that's why it has the +1 charge. Now sulfite is here in our polyatomic list. So sulfite has the formula of SO3 and its ion charge is -2, as we can see here in the list. And that -2 means that it likes to pull 2 electrons from the cation that it is going to combine with. So you can see that the sulfite needs 2 electrons in order to be stable, where sodium needs to lose 1 electron to be stable. So if you think about it, it's going to really take 2 of these sodium atoms to complete the SO3 to balance out the -2 charge on the SO3. So when we figure out the formula, you can either draw it out to try and see how it works, or you can do the crossover method where you cross over, you bring the superscript down and over, and that superscript goes down and over. And there you have it. Your formula for the sodium sulfite is going to be Na2SO3, and as it's a 1, you don't have to put it in brackets and put a 1. You can just leave it as that. And then if you wanted to check it, what you would do is go 1 times the -1, because this is, we just have one of the sulfites. 1 times -2, because we have a charge here of -2, plus 2 times the charge of +1. And so that gives us -2 plus 2. And you can see that our charges cancel out. So again, when you are finding the formula for a compound, step 1 is figuring out what the charges are on each of the ion. Step 2 is visualizing the 2 elements or ions coming together and then balancing out their charges, and then using the crossover method to get your subscripts, like so. And then you can do a check by taking the subscripts and multiplying their superscripts. So 2 times +1, 1 times -2, and then doing the math, and hopefully they will balance out so that you have a neutral charge on the compound. If you don't have a neutral charge, then the likelihood of that compound staying together and the ions disassociating is going to be a lot higher if it's unbalanced, whereas if you have the neutral charge, they're balancing each other out, the attraction's there, and they're not going to split apart easily. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.